What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. You can probably tell I look tired. I feel exhausted. I have some explaining to do, but before I do that, I want to show you guys the most expensive mod I'm about to put in my STI. If you're new to the channel, that's my STI. I've owned it now for 6 years, I want to say. It's a pretty fun car, And we're doing a mod that I wasn't really expecting to happen quite yet, to be honest. It happened pretty quick, but pretty excited about it. So let me show you. So usually I have everything stored in the back, but this time I have it in the back seat. Any guesses? Well, today's mod is a car seat. Yeah, we are installing a car seat today. I'm about to be a dad. It's gonna be interesting, it's gonna be crazy. It's something I am definitely looking forward to. But let me just say real quick, we're not putting it in the STI. I just wanted to do something kind of funny, you know. The STI, in all honesty, it's way too rough for a newborn. I have a feeling I won't put any kid in this car until they're at least one. The reason for that is it's so stiff. Like, I was driving my pregnant wife in it just a couple of weeks ago, and it's a rough ride. Like, I felt bad. I was holding her stomach because it was that bad. So, just so we're clear, it's not going in the STI. We're going to put it in the wife's Civic behind me. I'm not going to show you guys that. Really what I want to do is just kind of clarify what's been going on. There's been a lot going on. So let me just explain it real quick. So I just really want to say real quick, I am sorry if you've been subscribed for a while and there's just been a lack of videos. There just hasn't really been a lot going on the channel. It's my bad. It's not that I don't have footage per se. I do have footage. It's just getting everything edited has been a real challenge of mine, and I keep saying I want to get into it, I want to upload more and blah blah blah, but life has just been kicking my ass. If I'm completely honest, like completely, like I don't have time like I used to. That sucks, but it's okay. The last thing I've really been uploading is just getting the Legacy built and tuned with all the AliExpress stuff, and I've spent like a year trying to get those videos edited, and technically they're still not even up, and I'm just not, I don't know, I'm just not really loving that content. So there is more videos that I've recorded for that, and I don't even know if I'm going to end up editing it, just because I was rushing, I was going to Newfoundland, the footage is kind of all over the place. It's not going to be a great video, and I just don't want to put the effort into it, if I'm completely honest. I feel like the video is just not going to do well anyways, or up to a point. Like a section of videos I think won't do well just because of the editing and blah blah blah. So I'm probably going to delete a bunch of videos, but that's okay. That's okay. It never even made it on YouTube. That's fine. There's probably like 10 videos right now of content that I do want to edit, so I'm going to try to get that edited as soon as I can. But I don't have it on me, but I got married. I don't have it because I'm about to go knees deep into an engine, so I just didn't put my ring on. I should have though, but it's okay, I got married. There is another video where I showed off that wedding ring. Pretty hyped about it. I don't wear it a lot just because of my work and my hobbies, but when we go out, I definitely put it on. I like the ring, it's cool. Shortly after, we got into house renovations for my wife's, well, she was my fiance at the time, her birthday in May. I bought her a new vanity for the bathroom. Our house is from the 80s. That's fine. It's older. It's got good bones, so I'm not worried about that. And because we were getting married, we didn't really put money into doing the house. We were saving it for the wedding. And that got put on the back burner for quite a while. The vanity sat in our living room for a long time. Months, like a while. I got married in August, and then I wasn't planning on doing anything really till Christmas. And then our friends were like, hey, throw a Halloween party. So we're like, okay, fine, like whatever. But I'm like, if we're throwing a Halloween party, this vanity needs to go. Like, it has to get done. So I spent tons of time renovating this bathroom. It looks great now, but it took a lot of time. Didn't cost too much. It was pretty cool. Heated floor. I love the heated floor. I had to fight for that, but I like it. Definitely learned a few things, tiling and all that. So that's been something. And by the way, like if you guys want, I do other things than just cars. Like I could record house renos, you know. I haven't really gotten into it because it's not really on my channel, but I could do it. And then while I was renovating, my wife got pregnant. Actually, it was well before we started renovating, but yeah, my wife was pregnant. So because of that, I had to get the nursery done. So I started the nursery, realized all the walls needed sanding and needed a bunch of drywall work and blah, blah, blah. And then that got put on the back burner because of Christmas and then so on. So eventually I got the nursery done. It's still a work in progress and we're like 3 weeks away to the kid coming. So I kind of need to finish that. It would have been done, but I'm working on something right now that involves the legacy and it's on jack stands. I'll just leave it as that. You guys will have to see what happened. So yeah, that's what's going on now. So that has really been my priority, is getting the legacy back on the road. It's been an adventure, to say the least. But something I really needed to do, which is kind of take a break from like all the YouTube stuff. I wasn't like going really hardcore at it when I lived with my parents in another town or a city. But it was just like, I don't know, it was just easier because I didn't have a house and more responsibilities, I guess. So in this new chapter of life, I've just been finding it's very difficult to balance all these things because I have other hobbies outside of cars. And I love working on cars, but cars are just very expensive. Very expensive. So because of that, I haven't really been putting money into anything. And the STI, unfortunately, to do what I want to do, is going to cost a lot. So that is why it's been on the back burner. There is mods for it that I need to install. I just, again, haven't gone around to it because of time and priorities or whatever. And because of that, I barely even drive the STI. Like, you know, I drive 2 hours a day for work. And by the time I get home, like, just whatever. I'm not going to go into it. There's just been a lot. Like, my best man is getting married this year. We had to do his batch, planning that, planning the baby shower, which just happened, which we learned we're, like, really blessed with loving family. So that's awesome. If my future kid ends up watching this, you're loved quite a bit. Like, you have no idea. So just know that. I probably average, like, during the week, like 4.5 hours of sleep. Like, to get the things I'm doing now, you know, have a relationship life with my wife, deal with stuff on the house. I have side businesses that I've been just haven't really been doing great at. Like, I've been working on a 3D printed automotive store. I really need to push into that. I got to get more on that. But there's products I've made. I just got to kind of like tweak them, get them good. But it is something I'm working on. So soon enough, we will have a website to sell stuff. And there will be things other than just 3D printed stuff. But time will tell. You'll see how it works. So yeah, it's just been, yeah, I'm just trying to figure life out and just do my thing and just figure out this thing called life and just get through every day, you know? But yeah, no, like, don't take that as I'm doing wrong, like, bad or anything. Yeah, I just made me realize, I don't want to go too in depth about this, but another thing that really slowed me down, like just took motivation out of me, was I did lose a close friend of mine just over 2 months ago. It's been hard. It was sudden, unexpected. What sucks is, like, he would always tell me is he wanted to see me rebuild an engine. And one of the last conversations I had is, it's all over YouTube. Like, no one wants to see it. You know, why would they want to see a small channel do it? And now, yeah, I wish I did it. Yeah. But I'll just keep that as motivation just to do it someday. I know he'd be pumped. So, yeah. I don't mean to bring down the video here, but that was something that also made me kind of chill on doing things. I kind of just needed to, I don't know, like zomb out. Like I just wasn't in the right mindset to really do anything. Just like processing everything. And it's still tough, you know. Like when I told him I was having a kid, he was hyped. You know, like it was awesome knowing there was someone so supportive. But yeah, okay, I'm dragging on. I'm dragging on. I don't want this to be a I don't want this to be like a sappy video of my friend passing. I just really want to make it clear that, you know, I'm around, I have content, I want to get content uploaded. It's just been a juggling act that I've been struggling with, really. I'm gonna try to do better. I'm gonna be off for a month with the kid coming. So I might just try to just bang out videos, just get them at least edited, and then I can upload them. It is something I want to get back into. It's just honestly, I'll be straight up. I don't know how people do it. I don't know how people do it. Like something like, you know, like let's say okay, you're installing a short shifter. You know, you can install one in like a WRX Impreza like in like 30 minutes. You know, you can probably do it faster. If I'm recording, that could take an hour to like 2 hours, probably an hour and a half to 2 hours. And then there's the time of editing. So it just, things that usually don't take me too long ends up taking a long time. And my battery's gonna die. Let me swap it out. So yeah, anyone that has figured out this balancing act of, you know, working 40 hours a week, having a relationship with their partner, trying to keep up on hobbies, which I also really got into like modifying electronics, like game systems. Like I got myself a PS Vita. It was the first time I ever had one, and I actually like it quite a bit. You know, and then I was modding my DS, and then I put a mod chip in my Switch OLED just because there was a challenge and I wanted to see if I could do it. I literally was willing to brick my Switch, and I did it. I did it. I was pretty hyped. So again, yeah, if that's something you guys would like to see on the channel, that is something I can do. It's just I know that's not my standard content, but I do it. So if you guys want to see it, yeah, I don't really think there's much else to say. That's it. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. That's it. Like I don't know what else to say. I don't know. Just you know, if you've been patient with the channel, I appreciate it. I really do. I've been slacking. I feel like the content I do now is not as like exciting as it used to be. Like I used to do like really cool things, and now it's kind of I guess you could say. And yeah, it just comes down to time, priorities. Like often the house takes priority, if I'll be honest, and just like money, I guess. Like I just don't have the extra spending money. That's okay. You know what? I'll give you guys a sneak peek. How about that? Of what's going on. That's all you get to see. I think I'm going to end it here. I don't think there is much else to say. Just keep your eyes peeled. There's going to be content. It's just when, I don't know. Stick around. Take it easy, guys.